with this little setup here again. So today we are going to be opening, drumroll please, the clear slime kit. So I really wanted to open this one because I have always wanted to get like a clear slime, because all of the clear slime that I make, like, they always turn bad. So yeah, like when I first make them, they're good-ish, but then the next day they're like super bad. So yeah, let's open this up and let me see what it contains. It contains an instruction sheet for, pre-made, yeah, 4 pre-made clear slimes. Wow, 4 metallic pigment colors and plastic fruit slices. Okay, so let's do this. I'm so excited. Okay, yep, that's it. So this is it. There's this little cardboard thingy, and there is this huge plastic bag with all of the stuff inside. I'm so excited. Okay, so Karina's DIY Clear Slime Kit Deluxe. Oh, these are all of the colors that it contains: blue, pink, gold, and green. Okay, wow, there's gold. I'm not gonna use that. Okay, so here it is. All the 4 slimes, the fruit slices, the blue pigment, the green pigment, the pink pigment, and the gold pigment. Okay, so now let's take these out of this bubble wrap. Later I might want to pop the bubble wrap because I just love popping bubble wrap. So yeah, let's see the quality of these. So yeah. Oh look, there's like a little, you can name your slimes. That's cute. Okay, so got stuck. Okay. So yeah, let's test the quality of these. Oh, they have a plastic thing. Let's use the scissors again. Okay. What? For a second, I thought nothing was in there, but look how clear that is. Wait. Okay. It literally looks like there's nothing in there. Like, look at that. So, yeah. Okay, let's taste. Let's try this. Whoa. It's so clear. I'm just like so impressed how clear this is. I mean, on the box it said really clear or whatever it said. I know what it said, but I didn't know it was gonna be this clear. Like, look at that. It's super clear. Now let's poke it. Okay, okay, so that didn't work because I'm bad at using this. So, let's do gold pigment. Okay. Let's cut this mark in. Okay, so that's it for now, but I'm just gonna mix this in. I actually never got like pigment for slimes before, so this is like my first time playing with the pigment, and I'm like mind blown. Oh my gosh. Let's make like a little. Okay. I'm so surprised. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. So, oh, I got some. Okay, it's okay. So this is the gold. It's not really mixed in that well, but yeah, I'm gonna mix it in better later. But this is the gold. It looks super pretty, but I want to make one that's just clear. Well, I just want to get one that's just clear and add in the fruit slices. So yeah, let's put this one back in its container. And get a new one that still has this plastic thing. It still looks like completely clear. Like I could barely even see anything. Look, like, oh my gosh. So yeah, that pigment made a mess. So next time I know what to do. So I have some gold pigment on my hands, but it's okay. Yeah, no, it didn't go into the slime. That's good. Okay, let's get the female slices. You could also call them female slices if you want. Okay. Not too much, because I want to save some. But yeah, let's. Oh my god, like, I love this. Look. I love it. I've always wanted like a slime like this, so yeah. So yeah, let's add in the pigment to the other slimes. This slime is gonna be, actually no, I want to make another fruit slime. I love these fruit female slices. I keep getting tricked. Okay, so I want to add more female slices because they're not such a mess as the pigment. So yeah, and I'm trying to avoid the pigment. I have an idea. Let me just get some in my hand. I want to do a pigment female slices slime. So like it has pigment, half pigmented, half female slice, half clear slime. So yeah, let's put some gold if it gets it. Okay, I'm just gonna use some blue. Coming out. Okay, there we go. This one's just gonna be like not so much blue because not so much pigment because it's like a mess-ish kind of. So yeah, it's a blue pigment female slice slime. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button and kiss it to everyone. See you in the next video. But also like to open this, and that, and that. So yeah, you could just see the names in my previous video. So yeah, bye guys.